To make slime at home, you need some ordinary white glue. This is just PVA glue. And you need some bicarbonate of soda. Just a tiny bit of this, about half a teaspoon. And give that a stir. To make coloured slime, you can use any food colouring, but I found that just a drop of paint will do the job. So next you add your paint, and we're going to make blue slime. And give that a good stir, so the powder and the glue and the paint all mix in nicely. Once that's all mixed in, you then add some contact lens solution. Some people have made it with water, warm water, but contact lens solution will work really quickly. So keep adding this in, and as you can see straight away, it's peeling off the sides of the bowl already. It will seem a bit stiff, so at this point we add more solution. As you can see, it's all lifting off now. Now it's nearly how we need it. It's pretty much done. I'm going to add a little bit more because it's still a tiny bit sticky. There we go. Slime made in probably 2 minutes. Now once your slime is made, you need to keep just messing around with it. You see? And you can make all colours. It's still a little bit sticky, so it needs to be, you need to just keep playing around with it until it gets like this, so that you can touch it like that. Now, if you've got anything lying at home, beads, glitter, anything, bits of foam that come in packaging, you can add foam to your slime. So I'm going to add some of this. Obviously you won't be able to see the colours once I've added it in, but it gives it a texture. So hopefully you can start folding this in. And there you go. You can add shaving foam, but I haven't got any shaving foam. There you go. The beads will all disappear into it. And there you have slime. Still a little bit sticky, so give to child to play with, and they'll soon be able to get it to the right consistency just by rubbing the beads in, and keep manipulating that slime to get it how you want it.